In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. Qasim, did you take a bath? Qasim, did you take a bath? Sentence number 2. Even though it was evening. Even though it was evening. Sentence number 3. I have been here since evening. I have been here since evening. Sentence number 4. Did you boil the milk? Did you boil the milk? Sentence number 5. She bullies me. She bullies me.